Okay, we're gonna make a video of solving system of linear equations by elimination. Okay, here we have two linear equations. We know it's a linear equation because the exponent of the x is 1. So what we're gonna use is elimination method, very popular. And as the name of the method, we're gonna do something to eliminate or cancel one of the variables. Could be the x or could be the y. In this example, it's easier to cancel the y. I'm going to explain you why. But we can also do x if we want. So to cancel the y, what we do is we multiply all this equation by -1. Okay, so that would be minus y. It's equal to x minus 4. Okay, that's a new equation we have after we multiply this one by -1. The idea of doing this is because when we add y minus y, that will be a 0 and we cancel the variable. That's what we're looking for. So continue with this sum. Y minus y is 0, 3x plus 2x is 5x, and minus 2 minus 4 is -6. Okay, then we continue with this -6. We add 6 on both sides. Basically -6 will be here positive. 6 and 5x multiplying x, so you divide it by 5. 6 over 5 it's equal x. Okay, that's the answer we have. 6 over 5 is 1.2. So 1.2 or 6 over 5, whichever number is better for you. Now when we have this number, we substitute in any of the equation to get the value of y, because we already have the value of x, which is this one. And now we're gonna find the value of y. So what we do is this. We find here 1.2. We substitute. Okay, we substitute here on the x, 3 times x, which x is 1.2. And then we find the value of y. So y it's equal 3 times x. We can do like 6 over 5 or 1.2 minus 2. So y it's equal 3 times 1.2 is 3.6, and 3.6 minus 2, this is a minus, that would be 1.6. So y will be 1.6. Okay, so we have x and y, which is 1.2 comma 1.6. So that's the solution of the system. Now if we, instead of cancel the y, we would like to go ahead and cancel the x, we can do that. Let's check how we do it. So basically we need to multiply, in this case, both equations for a number that when we add give us 0 in the x value over here. So the first equation, I'll multiply. What we do is we change the coefficients of the variable we're gonna simplify or eliminate. So I will multiply the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3. If I do that, let me do it here. So we have y equal 3x minus 2 and y equal negative 2x plus 4. If we multiply the first one by 2 and the second one by 3, I'm just gonna write the equation. I'm not gonna do the whole exercise, but you get the idea. So we will have on the top 2y it's equal 6x minus 4, and on the bottom we will have 3y it's equal negative 6x plus 12. So you see here 6x and minus 6x, when you add those two, that will be a 0. Now let me present a challenge in this video. Okay, you see that the answer we got was 1.2 and 1.6. I graphed those two equations with the computer program. Okay, I graph with the computer program. You see here the minus 2x plus 4. Here's the y-intercept. And here we have y equals 3x minus 2. Okay, and I got here 1, 2 as the answer. Where is the mistake, or what is wrong that I got in the graph 1, 2, and in the doing the math I go 1.2, 1.6? Where is the mistake? Let me tell you something. If you find where is the mistake, let me tell you that you have really good math level. Okay, so just put in the comment where is the mistake, and I hope this video helped you doing it. And this is for elimination. There are different ways you can do it. This is the easiest, just multiplying by -1, the second one. But you can do it eliminating cancel the x by doing this that we did before. Okay, thank you very much for watching. You can see those two equations here. Those are the equations here. And tell me, why do we got different answers? Thank you very much. Have a great day.